Hey everyone, welcome to this weekly Summit Salon Minute brought to you by Summit Salon Business Center. Proven systems, proven results. Today I want to get real and get personal. I want you to ask yourself, is your team simply going through the motions? Are they just busy for the sake of being busy, or are they truly striving to reach their full potential? If your answer is not what you want it to be, that's okay. We are all works in progress. But today we are going to talk about setting milestones, which is one of 5 M's of momentum, and which can really help get you and your team in a better place. Now, a milestone is a desired outcome that you have yet to achieve before. And when you're able to get good at setting milestones, you can also break those down into what Glenn Baker calls mile markers, and then have the pathway to those never before reached goals. So to learn some examples of a milestone and how to get this in your company starting right now, go ahead and read the full article. If you want to learn more about the other M's of momentum, then we invite you to purchase Magic of Momentum. In this one-of-a-kind product, you will partner with Peter Mahoney, Glenn Baker, and Michael Cole in order to learn not only real-world examples, but exactly how to harness momentum within your own company. Thank you for spending this minute with us. The next minute is yours.